Hey everyone, welcome back to Shreya Coder. Today we are going to talk about Python sets. By the end of this video, you will know all about sets and how to use them in your coding projects. Let's get started. So what is a set in Python? A set is a collection of unique elements. And also they don't allow duplicate values. They are unordered, which means that we cannot access element using index values in Python. So let's see using some examples here. For example, I am creating a set, my set, and we create sets using curly brackets. Then I'll write these values, then I'll print my set. So now you can see this is the set that is printed in curly brackets. Now they also don't allow duplicate values. So how we'll know? We'll create another set and we'll put same values in it. 1, 2. So let's print this one. So now you will see it gives me same output as the duplicate values which are already there once in the set are not repeated again in this set. So it is already written one time here. It will not repeat that value again. So next we move on to basic set operations. So now we move on to how to create a set. So here we will take a variable s, then we'll make a set using curly brackets. We have taken curly brackets here because sets are only considered when we make them in curly brackets. Then we'll print s. So this is the set. Next we have with how we will add items in this set. So we'll simply write s dot add something like we will add name here. So name, okay. Then we'll print s. So you can see it is added in the element. Now we have to remove. We want to remove anything from this set. So we have two methods to remove: the remove method and the discard method. So first we'll do it with remove s dot remove name. Okay. Print s. So you can see name is removed. But if we will use this to remove a value that is not there in the set, like we'll remove 5 that is not in set, just we are checking it if it is in the set, so it removes, but it is not there. So let's print this. So it will give us an error. You can see here. So it gives us an error. Then next we move on to discard method. How discard method works: s dot discard three. Then we'll print this. So you can see it removes the 3. Next, if we use the same, like we'll check for same as we done with the remove, we'll write 6 here, then we'll print. So this will not give us an error. It will only print the set that was there we created. Okay, so this is how we create sets, add elements in a set, and remove elements from the set. So now we move on to checking membership in sets. So what does membership mean? Like we want to check if a certain value we are finding is there in the set or not. So we'll find using in keyword. For example, in this set we have 1, 2 and 4 values. So I'll print 4 in s. So it will give me output true because it gives the output in boolean values, true and false. If you will print 7 in s, so it will give me false. You can see how checking membership in sets work. So next we move on to different set operations that are useful for combining and comparing two sets. So first we'll create two sets here, set 1 as 1, 2, 3 and set 2 as 4, 5, 6. Then first of all I will do the union of two sets. What does union of set mean? Union of set means we will combine both the sets into a one set. So set 1, then the slash, then set 2, then we'll print this. No, there's an error because I write it in capital. So now you can see this is how it works. Next we move on to intersection of sets. In the set is, so to make this we'll use and symbol here, set 2, then we'll print. So basically intersection means that we will have the values that are common in this set. So there is no common value in this set, so it will show us empty set. You can see empty set is displayed here. Then we will have difference of set. So what does difference of set mean? That the difference between the set, like here I'll make set 1 then minus set 2, then we'll print this front set. So here I am again doing this. You can see the first one is printed here, means minus, basically minus is done here, subtraction is done here from second set to first set. So you can see how it is done. The set operations are done like this: union of sets, intersection and difference of sets. So now let's move on to some advanced set methods. So now we have some advanced set methods that are update the set, clear the set and copy set. So let's start with updation of a set. So let's take set 1 here, which I have created in this. Then I'll check it. Then I'll simply write set 1 dot update and the values you want to add in it. So we'll write the values here in square brackets 4, 5, 8, 9. So we'll add these, then we'll print set 1. So you can see the set is updated now. Then we want to clear this set. First we'll copy this, copy set 1, copy, okay, then print, then we'll print set, copy set. So now you can see the set is copied here. Then the next we have is to clear it. So simply write set 1 dot clear and run this. Then when we will print this one, print set 1, so it will give an empty set here. So you can see empty set is displayed here. So that means the set is cleared. But if you again print copy set, then it will show you the values because the set is copied in this one. So you can see how these three functions work. So now we have frozen sets with us. So what exactly a frozen set is, that when you want to have a set that cannot be changed, then you can have frozen sets which is not changed once created. These are not like another sets that we create. We cannot change values, we cannot update it, we cannot clear the sets. Once it's created, we cannot do anything with these sets, and these are helpful when we want any set to be remain constant. So now let's create a frozen set using this. Frozen set is, now we'll write frozen set, this is the values, then in square brackets we'll write the number, then print frozen set. So now you can see this is the frozen set, so it cannot be changed. If you want, then even you will see errors in it. Like we'll try to update the value. Let's check. Okay, so 3, 4 and 5. Let's see what it will give you. Frozen set. So see, it's an attribute error here. A frozen set object has no attribute update because we cannot change a frozen set. So this was about frozen sets, and these are very useful when you want values to be constant. So now let's make a program that finds out the common between two lists. So let's create lists here. List 1, just give simple names, and 1 is names, for example these. Now L2 as so these are some names that we have in two lists. First of all, to find the common between the two lists, so we have sets function, that is intersection, that found out the common between two sets. But these are two lists, so first of all we'll convert them into a set. So how we'll convert them? Set 1 equals to set L1, and set 2 is set L2. So now we have successfully made them into a set, converted them into a set. So let's print one set. So now this is converted into set. So for common we'll use intersection here. So enter common names is S1 and operator and S2. Let's print common names. So you can see the common names are John and Shreya. So this is how we made the program easily, that we can find out common names from any two lists from converting them into a set. So this is how we use sets in our daily lives. And that's all about Python sets. We have covered all the topics related to sets, and a huge thanks to all of you for helping me reach 2000 subscribers. Don't forget to practice. If you enjoy this video, like, share and subscribe to Shreya Coder. See you in the next one. Bye bye.